Have you ever felt like stress and crisis have hindered your ability to perform or make changes at work or in life? Try something called upshifting. When you upshift, you can turn pressure and crisis into performance and creativity. How might this happen? Well, we're going to tell you. Upshift has 3 ingredients: mentality, originality, and purpose. Mentality is our ability to see problems as challenges rather than threats. Originality is our ability to think about solutions in a divergent fashion and explore novel approaches. Purpose is our driving motivation, the North Star that keeps us going and on track. We all upshift in different ways based on our preferences for solving problems. There are 6 kinds of upshifters. Challengers are people who visualize and bring about alternatives by questioning the status quo, like Rosa Parks. Crafters are people who develop novel solutions by understanding how things really work and applying these principles to effect change, like Simone Biles. Combiners are people who work across disciplinary boundaries to develop solutions, like the Wright brothers. Connectors are people able to grow and transform their networks in the face of crises, like Paul Revere. Corroborators are people who reach decisions under pressure using logic, critical thinking, and data, like Katherine Johnson. Conductors are people who bring all these others together and orchestrate their efforts to make the whole more than the sum of the parts, like Abraham Lincoln. So, when life gets tough, you don't have to shut down. You can upshift. Find out more about this in Upshift, Turning Pressure into Performance and Crisis into Creativity by Ben Ramalingam.